In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix HP laptop volume too low. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first thing what we want to check is actually the volume level. So we need to click the search, click on the settings, click in the system settings. Then from there, click on the system tab to the right, click onto sound. Now from here, we want to make sure our volume is not 0. So go ahead and adjust that. So I'm going to click like 58 for me. And also we need to choose where to play sound. So we go ahead and expand that. Make sure you're playing them from the correct sound source. Another thing we can try, if we go ahead and click on the speakers, where the advanced settings are, audio enhancements, go ahead and turn that off. Now, next fix is to go ahead and update our audio drivers. So outdated drivers equals low or broken audio. So we need to get into device manager. So click on the search, type in device manager. Then from here, we want to go ahead and expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right click on our audio. So for me, it is Realtek audio. So right click that, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers. And if there are any updates, they're going to update and install them. Now the next fix here is check app specific volume. So if you're using Google Chrome or VSL Media Player, Spotify, make sure you have sound on there as well. So you could be playing music or whatever, but your sound is actually turned off on that application or web. So you make sure there is a volume on that. If you still having issues, try a different output device. So plug in some headphones or even external speakers. If the sound is normal, then your laptop speakers may be worn or blocked.